Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to another 118 scale video. And today we have an Auto World L.A.Hooker 1971 Ford Mustang NHRA funny car. So this thing is extremely cool. When I saw it on the internet I was like, okay, this looks cool. But when I got it actually I was like, wow. I was wowed, and a lot of people have been. So this is an actual vehicle that exists. As you can see, there's multiple styles of this one. You can close it up. You can try to pause and read this if you want to. Then here's also some literature if you want to pause and read that too. You are welcome to. And yeah, so as you can see, it says the authentic replica, extreme detail, serialized chassis. So yeah, enough of that. Let's get it open. The cool thing about this car also, besides being all world, in my opinion, is already a big bones, is that if you have seen the newest, the latest, that would be Fast 10 Part 1. In one of the scenes where Dominic is still at his home, and right before it gets raided, I think, or he leaves with the Cypher, something like that, you can see this model in the background. Which I like, you'll only notice that if you own the model. Unless, if you don't own it, you won't probably notice it. It is standing on the, sorry, it's a bit dusty. It's been a while since this been out of the box. As you can see, the dust easily is getting everywhere, even while it's still boxed, which is kind of dumb, but okay. So it's on the, what do you call it? Like on before the window, like where the window is in the background. You can see Dominic's in the front, and you can see the car right there, and it is an opened function, not like this, but like this, which is the extremely cool part about this model. So before I get into the innards, let's show you. So the entire body is plastic, as in real life this would be like not carbon, but what do you call it, like glass fiber. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, the steering is very loose. We got our little pizza cutters in the front, just that they're just meant to hold you, just to steer you straight mostly. We have the super thick chunky boys in the back, which already have been like readied for a drag race, which is very, very cool. It looks like they're already been used. Believe me, I have not rolled this thing anywhere, so it's supposed to be like that. You have the parachute, which is connected to the back of the, I forgot what's it called again. Basically to the back, I'm sorry, I just keep forgetting sometimes. And we also have these wheelie bars, which have actual wheelies inside of, like actual little wheels that do spin and turn. I don't know if you can see that, but they are functional. So, what else? Then there's the base. You can see how highly detailed it is. This frame in the back, the bottom, this black bit, is metal. So it all, some parts in there also are metal. The exhausts are not metal; those are plastic. To make all these bits and bobs to actually happen, they're all like plastic and metal mixture. If you can see that there, right there, that is this driver's seat. Your bottom is actually almost next to these massive wheels, which is absolutely crazy to think about. There's our engine. So let's get it opened and show you what's going on inside. So I can lift actually and take the back off if I want to, but not fully because it's still connected. so I can show you the details in this way. So you can see there's the frame, which is plastic. Like everything here that I'm holding right now is plastic. There's no metal here. But you can see for safety measures, we have like the fire extinguishers in there and all the goodies. So then we roll it back. Let me try to sort of show it this way, putting that down. So there's the actual thing, like the steering wheel doesn't function because it would be pretty difficult to get it functional through this engine and everything. So there's the engine, and you can see it is highly detailed. You got even the belt and everything in there. Got wires and snorkels and a ton of stuff going on in there. We have the gas tank right here in the front, which is just purely enough for it to make the run. This top part of the safety frame for the driver is plastic, but the rest of it is metal. And there's your back. As you can see, it's been connected to the rear wheels. I'll say wheels. I'm sorry. Sometimes I remember these technical names, and sometimes I don't. So for the wheels, you can see it has a functioning piece, which is sadly not connected. Because if it would, that would be this part here and would just be on one side, and then it just would steer these, which it doesn't. As you can see, I'm trying to move the steering wheel and it does nothing. So that's that. There's your driver details in there. Got like safety and everything. Yeah, it's just crazy that you're sitting in front of you. You have this massive engine, and right on next to your side there are these massive chunky wheels. So. Enough of that. Let's put it back together, and let me show you the last feature of this thing. So like I said, you can nicely open it, close it. It does roll if you can get the wheels straight. Super easy, super smooth. Now we also have this, which is the part that holds the body up. This thing is metal. So basically what you do is lift this guy up. There's special spots here that you can put it against. So mainly you need to remember that this longer part, where the longer legs are, this is going downwards, and the other way is going upwards. So you find the right spot to put those in. And just basically right after the engine, you can put it right there. As you can see, that's how it functions. And that is extremely cool. So this is how the model is displayed in the movie. But I believe you can hook these things even somewhere else. I think, at least. I'm not fully sure. No, it doesn't look like it. Yeah, I can put it slightly more forward, I think. No? I think I didn't put something quite back on. Did the body go? Oh, it's the body. Just move it to the side a bit. So, yeah, you can put it a little bit more to the front, so it would be look more correct, not looking backwards, and still would roll back and forth like this. So this is the way how the driver gets in and out, and they do repairs. This is also what they do. But if they do need to do max repairs, they will just take off the body, and that would be even easier. But yeah, so there you go. There's your drag car, Mustang funny car. So yeah, hope you liked it. I personally love this thing. Don't feel like parting ways with this thing anytime soon, or ever. But yeah, tell me what you think. I think this thing is amazing. You can like the video if you liked, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.